lot of people say that they don't follow a specific religion, but they identify with spirituality. Now, is there a difference between religion and spirituality?
Not really. Like in actual context, there is no difference. Spirituality actually means that the understanding or cognition of another reality that exists beyond this material nature. This is the world of matter, and there is another reality that is world of consciousness. So that world of consciousness is actually the spiritual world. Like, for example, matter is inert, but what makes these bodies made of matter conscious or living? Because of the presence of the soul. The soul actually comes from the spiritual world. So there is another world beyond this material nature, and the way to understand that reality, the means to understand that reality is religion. So that's why it is important that we must treat religion as a science, not as faith. The importance of science is that one probes into it and tries to understand what it is, not just accepting what is spoken or what is said. It is important that we must accept things from the proper source with appropriate faith. And then only the knowledge becomes tangible. Now, yes, the religion is the means to understand the spiritual world, spiritual reality that exists beyond our sight, beyond this material nature. And spirituality is the means or the topic that delves into that reality. So therefore, there is no difference between, or there should not be any difference between religion and spirituality. Religion is the science to understand the spiritual nature.